How to grow dianthus from seeds. Friends, if you want to buy seeds at a very cheap price, in this video description, you will get a link. Click this link and buy your favorite seeds at a very cheap price. Our dianthus seeds deliver tough lasting plants that are vivid, dry spell safe, and blossom in the main year. These short developing blossoms are generally factor and function admirably in raised beds, window boxes, compartments, and notwithstanding hanging bins. Change up your natural blossom cultivate by developing dianthus from seeds. Season and zone. Introduction: full sun to fractional shade. Zone 210. Begin dianthus seeds inside 8 to 10 weeks before transplanting out, or coordinate sow them in late winter or early harvest time so the seeds might be presented to ice. Perfect temperature: 15 to 21 degrees Celsius, 60 to 70 degrees Fahrenheit. Seeds sprout in around 10 days. Simply cover the little seeds softly with soil. Intend to space plants 15 to 23 centimeters, 6-9, separated. Developing. Develop in rich, very much depleted soil with a pH scope of 6.07.5. Water built-up plants just to mid-droughts. Cut back the off stems subsequent to blooming, and make sure to mulch if the plain chilly climate is normal. Recharge with new seeds every 3-4 years. Subscribe Gardening Story channel, click bell icon to see new upcoming videos. Thanks for watching.